Go!
This is what I think it is. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is what I think it is. Oh yeah, laptop. My own laptop. Yes. Look what I got.
Whoa, and another eye.
Oh!
2 eyeballs.
Open the big box, Owen.
Thank you, my laptop. I wonder what this is.
The daddy opened it.
And it is. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Open the other thing, Dill. What is that, Owen?
I got it.
Is that
I got one at my mom's. I got a new skateboard.
My own mouse.
last night.
I got my own mouse.
I got my own mouse. It has a little
Owen, that's a pro model, Owen.
What?
That's a pro model.
Pro model like the big guys have. Wow.
Yes.
Awesome.
You like it? Now you got a sweet skateboard at both places, huh? Hey, Dilly, that mouse is wireless. You just plug in this little dude right here.
I know.
And then you don't even need a cord.
There's no more fun and stuff. Can we hook up my laptop now?
Yes.